Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you, have you purchased ZEE5 premium subscription and you are wondering whether it will work when you travel to another country. Many users assume that streaming subscription purchase in one country will work everywhere, but that's not always the case. In this video I will explain how ZEE5 subscription work across different countries and what happens when you try to use account on abroad. ZEE5 subscription are generally tied to the country where the subscription was purchased. This means that the plan, pricing and content library available to you may depend on your location at the time of purchase. When you move or travel to another country, you may notice difference in content availability or even subscription access. The main reason is content licensing. Because of this licensing agreement, platform often apply regional restriction to certain content and subscription plan. So guys, according to the ZEE5 official policy, subscription plan are specific to the country where the subscription is purchased. If you are trying to use ZEE5 in another country, you may need to purchase a subscription that is available in that specific region. Before traveling or relocating, check whether ZEE5 is available in your destination country or not, and then purchase the ZEE5 subscription. You can get all the details here in the ZEE5 subscription help center. As you can see guys, one more thing I will suggest you, so you can try to connect a VPN and access your Indian ZEE5 subscription on another country. So this is not a safe method. Do it on your own risks. In many cases, subscription are country specific and access outside the purchase region may be limited based on ZEE5 current policy and content licensing agreement. If you found this video help you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more tech tips and streaming guide. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.